In this episode of Clay Builds, I'm going to combine this with this to make this. It seems like everybody wants to work from home nowadays. I mean, I can't blame them. I've worked from home for the past 2 years and it's been amazing. I mean, you could set up your office exactly the way you like it. And then one day you realize, wait, I'm not stuck in the office. I could work from the couch. I could work from the kitchen. I could go outside and work if I want. Oh man, I could work from my bed. There's only one problem though. No matter where you go to work in the house, you have to leave your entire setup behind. Well, not anymore. That's why I created the Transformer desk. It transforms to where you work. Now I can work in the garage, and I can work on the couch. And oh yeah, I could even work outside. But the best part of all, I could take it all with me.